Assalamu alaikum. I am back with another topic. Who invented money? Long ago, before money was invented, people often used to barter for things they wanted to buy. Barter means to exchange things for something else. For example, if someone had a chicken, they might give it to someone in exchange for some fruit. Or they might do a day's work for a farmer to earn some food. In the 7th century, the coins were invented in Lydia, a country near Greece now called Turkey. Much later, in 600 CE, the Chinese invented paper money or banknotes because coins were heavy to carry around. Today, the governments of each country makes its own notes and coins. This money is called currency. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel.